Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So about a year ago, I tested this product called the IKKO Active Buds. They were basically a set of wireless earbuds with a charging case that was like a mini Android phone. Like it had a screen, it could get on the internet, it could run Android apps. So it was a very unique product. And now less than a year later, the company IKKO has a follow-up. This is the IKKO Mind One. It is as you can see, very compact smartphone. It measures only 86 by 72 millimeter, or about 3.3 inches by 2.8 inches for Americans. And this guy weighs only 132 grams. So you have a 4-inch AMOLED display covered by Sapphire Glass, powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. You have a single 50 megapixel Sony camera here that can flip out to the front to double as a selfie camera. This device I'm testing is a prototype. It is not the finished version, but the finished version should be ready soon. And IKKO is launching this via Kickstarter. In fact, it is already fully back, so it's gonna deliver for sure. The interesting thing about the Mind One is that it runs 2 operating systems. So it runs Android 15 with guarantee at least 3 years of Android updates. And there's a button at the top. If you long press on a button, you can switch to IKKO's own proprietary operating system. So this operating system is called IKKO AIOS. As you can see, the home screen becomes a lot more simplified. IKKO's idea with this OS is that it helps you kind of keep unwanted distraction out of the way. Let's say if you want to just get work done, this home screen is a little bit simplified. You can still run Android apps though if you like. And on top of that, there's also a suite of proprietary AI features that come shipped with the phone, such as AI translation. So you can point the camera at Chinese text and translate it to English or Japanese or Korean. You can also solve math equations by pointing the camera at a math equation, and then the AI will solve the problem for you. So now the cool thing is, if you buy the Pro version of this phone, IKKO says the AI will come free of charge with the phone via VSIM. So that means you don't have to put in a data SIM card. You don't have to connect to Wi-Fi. Via virtual SIM, it will connect to the internet and you will get all the AI features free of charge in over 60 countries around the world. Of course, there's also a nano-SIM card slot in here, so you can put in a SIM card and use data that way or connect to Wi-Fi if you want. But then back to the Android ecosystem. So you can run any Android apps on here, obviously, but this screen aspect ratio being a square is a little bit odd. So when you open some apps, it does kind of cut off the top and bottom a little bit. But for the most part, apps like Instagram and Netflix and YouTube works perfectly fine. So IKKO is launching this on Kickstarter right now for about $369 US. When the Kickstarter campaign ends, the retail price for this will be $499. So that's for the Pro version. There's a standard model without a sapphire crystal glass and without the free AI features that will be $100 cheaper at $399. And according to IKKO's website, they have already built a first-party accessory for this phone. It's a keyboard case that plugs into the bottom that gives you a physical keyboard, and it has a headphone jack connected to a hi-fi DAC, so you can get high-quality audiophile audio. So that's about it for this quick look at the IKKO Mind One. Like, you guys know me, man, I'm always on the lookout for interesting and cool tech, and I think what IKKO is doing here, it's very fun. Like, this phone, you're definitely gonna draw attention when you're outside. It looks good, it feels very nice in the hand, and it's just nice to have something so compact that can fit into my pocket and it doesn't take up space. I mean, you can probably fit this into a small pouch too if you want. So this is a prototype, so this is not a review, just a hands-on, but I will get my hands on a final version maybe in a month or so. So when that happens, I will have a full review. Until then, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have a lot more content coming, so please stay tuned. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.